Hello Hodghill and welcome to a lesson on collecting like terms. In today's lesson you'll be able to collect like terms where there are only two different terms, okay? And the uses of this can be in mechanics, engineering, computing and so on. As for the keywords, it will be things such as equation, formula, balance, x, y terms and unknowns. So let's first look at what a term is. So a term is a simple thing such as 2a or 3c or 5b or 2c and so on. Usually it's like, 2 lots of A or 3 lots of C or 1 lot of D, and that's basically how we define a term. Alright, so these are our terms. So it's usually when there's a number and a letter together, and what it basically means 3 lots of C or 2 lots of C. Now we can group together our terms. So let's just say C was carrots at 3 lots of A. It basically means you have 3 lots of carrots. And that ends up giving us an expression. Alright, so it's basically a lump of algebra. So 2 lots of A and then 3 lots of A. We can call this 2 apples, add another 3 apples. A, of course, is just unknown. I'm just using apples just as an example. It could be anything. It doesn't really matter what it is. It just matters that we have 2 lots of A, add 3 lots of A, or K, take away 3K, and so on. So you can simplify an expression, right? This is how we collect our like terms, by simplifying. When we have 2 lots of A, add 3 lots of A. Well, just look at your hands, okay? Put 2 fingers out. Let's let each A be a finger. So 2 lots of A will be 2 fingers, wouldn't it? Well, if we had another 3 lots of A, how many fingers are you holding? That's right, 5. That's 5 lots of A. Or it's like saying you have 2 lots of apples and you added another 3 lots of apples. You now have 5 apples. Similar with 4G, take away 2G. 4 lots of G, take away 2 lots of G is 2 lots of G. Again, you can call it 4 grapes, take away 2 grapes. It does not matter. Now, I'm going to stop using the fruit examples and I'm just going to start using just letters now. That's the more important thing. Alright, so 4G, take away 2G, or 4 lots of G, take away 2 lots of G, is 2 lots of G. Now, K, take away 3K, this is where minus numbers get involved, right? This single K over here is just 1K, isn't it? That 1 we don't usually include because K alone is basically just 1 lot of K. Well, if you have 1 lot of K and you take away 3 lots of K, you end up with minus 2 lots of K, don't you? Think about it. What's 1 take away 3? That's right, minus 2. So 1 lot of K take away 3 lots of K is minus 2 lots of K. Now, I want you to have a go at these questions over here. So on a piece of paper or a mini whiteboard or whatever you have a go at these questions. And once you're done, you can, of course, unpause the video and I'll also put the answers on. So hopefully you've had a go now. So 1x add 1x is the same thing as x add x, isn't it? 1x add 1x, therefore, will give us 2 lots of x. 3 lots of x add 5 lots of x will give us 8 lots of x. 2x add 4x, that's 6x. Add another x, it's going to be 7x, okay? 3y add 6y is going to be 9y. And then w, 1w add 1w is 2w. Add another 4w will give you 6w. Okay? So now that you've had a bit of practice, I want you to have a go at these questions. Okay? Now remember, once again, when there's no number in front, it just means 1 lot. Okay, so with this A add A add A, it's just 1 lot of A add 1 lot of A add 1 lot of A. Alright, so have a go, and then once you're done, upload your work onto Class Charts.